Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best 18V LED bulb is probably one of the most versatile and energy-efficient lighting solutions on the market, perfect for various applications ranging from RVs and boats to off-grid setups and even certain automotive applications. In this video, we will explore the top 18V LED bulbs available, examining their brightness, lifespan, color temperature options, and overall value to help you make an informed decision for your specific needs. Number 5. Jomitop 18V LED Flashlight Bulb. Experience the superior illumination of this LED bulb. It's a perfect replacement for your old flashlight bulb, offering a much brighter, whiter light. This bulb works with a wide range of flashlights. It's compatible with many popular brands and voltage levels, from 4.5V to 24V. Replacing your old bulb is simple. Just check the polarity and enjoy the significant improvement in brightness and longevity. This high-power LED bulb provides a long-lasting, reliable light source. Say goodbye to frequent bulb replacements. Enjoy a crisp, pure white light, unlike the dull yellow of incandescent bulbs. It's perfect for various applications, from home use to professional work. Use it in your Maglite, Milwaukee, Ryobi, Craftsman, or DeWalt flashlight. It's also great for bikes, torches, and work lights. What we like. It boasts compatibility with a wide range of voltages and provides a bright 201 lumens output. If you need a reliable, versatile bulb for various flashlights, this is a great option. Its long lifespan ensures you won't need frequent replacements, saving you time and money. What people say. They can focus just like the old ones. Light is now brighter and uses less battery power. Works well with my DeWalt DW908, easily twice as bright as original. Number 4. JESLED Maglite LED Bulb. Transform your old flashlight with this bright and long-lasting LED replacement. It's easy to install and will dramatically improve your lighting. This LED bulb is compatible with standard C and D cell Maglites, as well as many other brands. It's the perfect upgrade for your existing flashlight. Enjoy a pure, bright white light with this 6000K LED bulb. It's far brighter than traditional incandescent bulbs, illuminating your work area perfectly. With an estimated 50,000-hour lifespan, this bulb offers incredible value and reliability. Replace your flashlight bulb less often and save money. We stand behind our product with a worry-free 18-month warranty and 24/7 customer support. Contact us if you have any questions or issues. Before installing, please ensure your flashlight uses a ring negative, tip positive configuration. Check your flashlight specifications to confirm compatibility. What we like. This one shines with 247 lumens and comes in a convenient 2-pack. If you're looking for superior brightness and longevity, this is the perfect choice. The extended lifespan and 2 bulbs mean you're set for years of reliable illumination. What people say. Works great in my Home Depot Ryobi flashlight. Doesn't get hot. Way better than the incandescent bulb the flashlight came with. I have used the bulb for nearly 2 years now and no flickering. It makes the battery last much longer. 4 to 5 times longer without needing a recharge. I bought a pair of these bulbs to upgrade 2 older 3-cell Maglites. While brand new LED Maglites may be slightly brighter, these replacement bulbs are far brighter than the original incandescent bulbs. Good coverage, too. These are much better and I would recommend these if you too are looking to do an upgrade of an older flashlight. Perfect fit. Much brighter and whiter than the incandescent bulb it replaced. Not quite as bright as I expected but far better than what it replaced. Brought an old light back to life. Number 3. YAFIYGI LED Flashlight Bulbs. It's compatible with many devices. You can use it in indoor lights, bikes, and various work lights. This bulb illuminates your path with a bright, pure white light. Enjoy a significant upgrade from dull incandescent bulbs. It's a high-power bulb built to last. With an estimated lifespan of 50,000 hours, you'll enjoy reliable illumination for years. Installation is straightforward. Just ensure the positive plus symbol is at the bottom and the negative minus symbol is on the side before fitting it into your flashlight. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll resolve them promptly to ensure a positive shopping experience. This pack includes 2 bulbs, providing you with replacements and backups for your flashlights. What we like. Get twice the value with this 2-pack of bulbs, each offering a powerful 247 lumens. If you need a long-lasting, high-output replacement for your flashlights, and value, this is a great choice. The extended lifespan and dual pack offer exceptional value and peace of mind. What people say. Direct replacement for my Ryobi 18V flashlight bulb. Very bright and battery last longer. Nice and bright. Good value, and I have a spare bulb too. Perfect replacement part for my old Ryobi 18V flashlight, FL1800. Brighter than the original one. Number 2. LED flashlight bulb kit. Is your flashlight dim and unreliable? It's time for an upgrade. This kit will transform your old flashlight into a super bright, long-lasting light source. Enjoy a crisp, 6000K bright white light. It's perfect for illuminating any space, providing clear and effective illumination. This kit works with a wide range of voltages, from 4V to 24V. It's compatible with many popular flashlight brands. It's simple to install, just replace your old bulb with this LED bulb. You'll be enjoying brighter light in minutes. This LED bulb is built to last. Enjoy years of reliable, bright illumination without constantly replacing bulbs. This kit comes with 2 LED bulbs, providing you with a spare or the ability to upgrade multiple flashlights. It fits many popular brands, including Ryobi, Milwaukee, and Craftsman flashlights. Check compatibility before purchasing. What we like. Experience brilliant 6000K bright white light with this option. If you prioritize a crisp, clear light and long-lasting performance, this is the one for you. Its superior brightness and extended lifespan make it ideal for demanding tasks. What people say. Took an older light and made it look modern. Now with a nice brighter light. Super bright light, and believe me, you might want warm white when you are sipping wine with the missus, but in the shop you want bright sun. Bought these to replace rather dim incandescent flashlight bulbs. They are obviously superior brightness and cleaner light. Number 1. Jomitop LED flashlight bulb. Experience the superior illumination of this LED bulb. Its pure white light and high power output will transform your flashlight's performance. Say goodbye to dull yellow light. It delivers 201 lumens of brilliant, pure white light, making it ideal for various applications. This bulb is a perfect replacement for many flashlights and work lights. It's compatible with a wide range of voltages, from 6V to 24V. Enjoy years of reliable performance. With an estimated 50,001 hours of use, it's a truly long-lasting upgrade for your flashlight. Installation is simple. Just ensure it's correctly oriented, it's negative ring, positive tip. Check your flashlight's polarity before installing. Transform your flashlight with this high-power LED bulb. Experience brighter, longer-lasting illumination for all your needs. What we like. This 2-pack offers a bright 201 lumens and impressive longevity. If you need a reliable, long-lasting replacement for your flashlights, and prefer a 2-pack for convenience, this is a great option. The extended lifespan and dual pack offer exceptional value and peace of mind. What people say. It was easily installed and is bright white. 2 bulbs come in the package. Needed new light bulbs for this old Hitachi flashlight and was having a hard time finding them. But Amazon came through, got 2 new bulbs, they both work great, stored the one in the flashlight and the other is in use and they are very bright. After replacing the bulb, I am really glad I made the purchase. These light bulbs produce much bright white light and the 3 watts rating doesn't hurt either. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.